Enhancement, activity for enhancement. Number 15, if the volume of a spherical ball is 36 pi cm, cubic centimeter, what is the radius of the ball? A, 2 cm, B, 3 cm, for IC is 4 cm, and D is 6 cm. For the volume of the spherical ball is the value of 4 over 3 pi r cubed. So in substitute using the formula r cubed is equal to 36 times 3 over 4. So natay value na 27. So substitute na sad nato ang cube sa r. So natay square root of 27 and the answer is 3. So the final answer would be letter G. And for the number 16, and the question was, what is the area of a rectangle having the length of 50 meter and a width of 25 meter? Using the formula of area using the formula of area, length times width. So substitute the value. So for length is 50 meter and for the width is 25 meter. So the final answer would be 1,250 meter squared. So the answer would be letter A. And for number 18, what is the equivalent of secant 56 degree? Using the formula, 90 degree minus 56 is 34 degree. So using the formula of secant, so divide mo siya sa 1 over cos 34. So naka-answer nga cos 34 degree. So ang answer is B. So 19, a square has an edge of 4 cm. What is its area? So ang iyang one is A, 4 cm squared, B, 8 cm squared, C, 12 cm squared, and D, 16 cm squared. Using the formula of area again, so substitute lang natin itong 4 cm. So 4 cm squared, so i-times din siya 4 cm times 4 cm na siya yung final answer na 16 cm squared. So ang answer is letter B. And for the number 20, what is the 2 times tangent 45 equal to? 45 degree equal to. So, tan 45 is equal to 1. So, 2 times tan 45 equals to 2. Answer is letter B. Thank you.